Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and in today's video we are doing another laundry catch-up routine.
See it slip away as things go back to gray. I fall.
So the very first thing that I'm going to do is gather up all my washing and bring it into the laundry to start sorting and washing.
Lies that make you heavy.
Alright, this is where we're at the moment. I have 3 full overflowing baskets of laundry. That is a clean load. I've just got the rug in there quickly washing, and I've still got that one drying. And as you can see, this is how dirty my stuff gets under minimal use. But that'll go in the dry next, that'll go on the line, and then we can put on the next load of washing.
So while those loads are in, I'm going to fold a basket of clean clothes of my son's clothes and get that packed away. This video was filmed over 2 days. You'll see an outfit change later on, because I was scrambling to try and catch up and get all of my washing done before we went away. We went away the weekend after this, so I wanted to have everything done to come home to a nice clean house with no washing, nothing. But there will be another video coming, and it is me cleaning the rest of my house on this same day, so that's why I'm going to be in the same outfit. But as you can probably maybe tell in my voice, I am sick again. It's flu season here in Australia, and unfortunately, being at the time the world is at, it's just not a good time to be sick. So it just set me back doing my normal at least once a week posting. Really wanted to get back to at least twice a week posting, but it just hasn't happened, as a few things on top of being sick have gone on in my life, and it's just set everything back a little bit. But that's okay. That's what life is all about. But anyway, I will try. You will see me try something a little different in this video of where I fold my clothes, and it actually works out not too bad. But I'm going to stop talking now, and we're going to chuck on some music, and let's just get into doing this washing.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you.
We've got 1 wet load left to dry. Last load in washing, and the other one drying.
And we are on to day 2 now, just finalizing the last load or 2 of washing, and now it is finally time to fold all of these clothes.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too, when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be. I'm unstoppable. I'm a bullet out of a gun. Feel invincible. Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me.
And now that the last things are put away, I'm going to come into my laundry and clean it up a bit so it's nice and spick and span for me to come back from my holiday and not have to worry about a dirty laundry.
Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
And that is everything from me in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!